Hey, we'll get right to it here. We do have a risk of severe thunderstorms again returning tonight. The afternoon and evening look pretty quiet out there, but late tonight, this has been upgraded since early this morning. Much of the upper valley and a slight risk for severe weather, which if you look at the categories there on top of the screen, from left to right would be kind of the low end. That's marginal, what you see in the lower valley. Then the next up is slight. So it gives you an idea that there is an increased risk out of the whole area, the farther west you live, especially in Starr County and to the west. But thunderstorms may form and try to move into the area tonight. Not all storms, or even half the storms, could be severe, but there might be a couple in there that could get a little strong or severe. You don't see anything. I don't know why I zoomed the radar in there. On the First Warn 5 Doppler network in the valley. There we go. Farther off to the northwest, we did have a couple showers and storms weakening as they moved to the valley today. A couple lightning strikes out by Falcon Lake earlier this afternoon. Those have all kind of just weakened, or I guess late this morning. Everything kind of fading away now, but we'll kind of watch the same area. You see how the upper level wind flow is there. Stuff in terms of showers and storms could begin to fire up sometime this evening and tonight, kind of out in that area, especially off to our northwest, and then maybe pushed into the valley, either from Mexico or areas up by Laredo later this evening and tonight. So your best chance will probably be after midnight. This may be a situation when maybe not everyone gets rain again. It might be more pronounced in Starr County, maybe Hidalgo County. So we'll put the rain chance going up after sunset and then especially after midnight to about 50% or so overnight. So at 50% chance for rain tonight through Friday morning or so, still means about half the valley could see some rain, but maybe half of you still don't. And this rain chance may kind of go up and down a little bit tomorrow. It's possible that some storms could die off late tonight and maybe a few more pop up tomorrow. But I think any that pop up during the afternoon tomorrow will likely be less intense, but will also help keep it cooler on Friday. Right now it's pretty warm out there. 91 in Harlingen and Brownsville, 88 in McAllen. And temperatures are on the warm side today. We'll be back up in the mid-90s this afternoon. Mostly sunny and hot. You factor in the humidity, it's going to feel like it's over 100 degrees. But again, we're looking for dry weather today. No threat of storms this afternoon, but the chances go up as we get closer to midnight and later. So, and I think I meant to say tonight and Friday on this graphic. This is the fun of working from home sometimes. So tonight and Friday, not tonight and Tuesday. Best chance near midnight or later tonight. Possible hail and strong winds with some storms, and then showers and storms may return Friday. So I think storms, if they do pop up on Friday, will likely be less intense, but it, again, will likely spread some clouds around the area and keep temperatures down a bit. So Future Track does show sunshine around today, mostly sunny or partly sunny skies, dry weather, up in the 90s for highs. Notice by 8 p.m. it tries to show maybe a shower or two near Falcon Lake. That might be a little fast, but kind of watch that area when the map advances. You see more thunderstorms could move into Starr County closer to about 11 p.m. or midnight. And then if the air stays unstable enough or they're able to push east, some of you in the lower valley could see some rain. But you see how it kind of blasts through the rain and kind of weakens it a bit overnight. So this is the scenario we might be watching. Thunderstorms first in Starr County, maybe toward 11 p.m. or midnight time frame, plus or minus a little bit, and then trying to move east later in the overnight hours. And it's possible still that a couple more showers or storms may fire up at any time on Friday, especially in the afternoon, but I think we're looking for less intense rain if it does form tomorrow, just kind of ordinary showers and weaker thunderstorms. But you see how some more clouds will be around on Friday. That may help keep temperatures down a bit across the valley. And even for the weekend, the rain chance is not totally going away. You see by Saturday morning and afternoon, Future Track does show a couple showers and storms around, but I think those two are somewhat weaker than the potential for tonight for any intense storms. But it will likely not rain all day Saturday or Sunday, but there is a chance that during the daytime a couple showers or storms may pop up and affect your weekend plans. So again, don't cancel your weekend plans right now, but chances of rain still holding about that 30 to 40% range or so, with temperatures dropping back mostly into the 80s for highs over the weekend. So today, during the daytime, mostly sunny, kind of hot and humid out there. Dry weather, though, during the daytime. Later tonight is when we have to watch out for the chances for showers and storms coming into the forecast. So overnight, showers and storms are possible. Again, there could be at least a small threat for severe weather with a couple thunderstorms. If you remember back to the last couple times, we've seen storms come in. They've once in a while had some large hail, a lot of lightning, and occasionally we've had some strong wind gusts. So kind of watch out for that scenario again tonight. We'll all be on guard tracking it. You can track it here, get our KRGV weather app too. That's free for download to see if the storms are headed your way. The First Warn 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, 90s a day. Storms coming later at night and then into Friday morning, and then maybe a couple more could pop up during the daytime on Friday. And even Saturday, Sunday, Monday, even Tuesday or Wednesday, it probably won't be dry everywhere any one of those days, but each day there's still some unstable air, so there could be a couple showers and storms around, but enough clouds and rain mixed in to help keep temperatures down a bit. So we're not looking for the hot weather return, but the rain won't totally go out of the forecast each of the next 7 days. So we'll keep tracking it and have another update for you coming up in your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.